Welcome to IVA Spirituality channel. I am going to talk about Tamil letters. உயிர் எழுத்து, மெய்யெழுத்து, உயிர் மெய் எழுத்து. A is the first letter for all the thing. It is the sound. The A is the first sound. There is no sound before it. A is the first sound. Means a child is born when the first breathing inside. So the baby is going to cry. Ah, the beginning of the whole universe, the existence, when it's born out of nothing. The sound of the universe is Ah. There is no sound before this sound Ah. This is the first sound. There is another letter. It is Ak. When a person become old and is going to die, when he is going to die, the last breath is Ak. 3 full stop. So when the last breath happens, a person is going to die. You say Ak. That's the last breath. So the whole universe begins with letter A, that sound A. The end with sound Ak. This letters, all the Tamil letters, are the reflection of the whole existence. They are written in that way. So these are all the letters. உயிர் எழுத்து, மெய் எழுத்து, உயிர் மெய் எழுத்து. There are lots of letters. There are sounds, different kind of sounds in it. So you can learn it. That's it. Thank you guys.